Very excited to try this Caspian caviar. This is made from sturgeon. It's 1.1 ounce. Comes in a variety of different sizes as well. And even comes with this mother of pearl serving spoon, which is pretty cool. And you can keep that. They shipped it on dry ice. It came super fast and fresh. It also comes with this nice opening tool, which made it easy to open. You just pry it up in there and move it around. You might want to do it one side, then the other. I already did that, so I'm going to go ahead and show you. Open it. You can see the detail on the caviar. Look at that. That looks great. So we're making a little thing for it, and we're gonna do a little taste test and see how it is. And look, it's all set up. Perfect part of a snack board. That looks good. Having a little cracker with some creme fraiche. It's good. Very fresh. Definitely recommend it.